Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will give you some tips and tricks on time management. Yes friends, we all know that schools and colleges are closed, our tuitions are closed, or we are not going to tuitions also. So friends, everything is going on digital platform, or we are spending a lot of time in front of the screen, that is attending the online classes, be it laptop, tab or mobile phones. Yes friends, so we are also suffering from lack of time to give to ourselves. Yes friends, though we are at home, but still we are very busy surfing the net, or we are very busy attending classes online, or we are very busy sitting in front of the screen. So we are not getting time to give it to ourselves. Yes friends, to overcome this, I have brought some tips, or I'll give you some tips and tricks so that you will be able to gain some time, and maybe it will help you out a lot. Yes friends. So friends, we all know that time is valuable, or how valuable is time? We all know that time is very precious. We all know that time is money. We all know that time saved is money earned, and time lost is money lost. And we all know that time flies. Yes friends, so it's rightly said by an American jazz trumpeter that time is not the main thing, but it is the only thing. Yes friends, we all get 24 hours. I also get 24 hours, you also get 24 hours, and all our friends also get 24 hours. It's how we spend those 24 hours. Yes friends, we are not born winners or born losers, but we are choosers. Yes, it's how we choose to spend our day. Yes friends, we will see that, or we all see that friends, some of our friends are very successful in their respective fields. On the other hand, we also see that some of our friends who explore in whatever field they explore, or in whatever field they try their hand in, they fail. So what is the reason behind those successful friends and those failure friends? What is the reason behind their success and failures? It's the time factor. Yes friends, time plays an important role in all our lives. It's how we spend it in a productive way, in an, you can say, productive way, in an energetic way, in a useful way, or we don't misuse it, but we use it in an economical way. Okay friends, so today I'll give you some tips and tricks. So coming to it friends, first of all, before we start a day, we should plan our day, or we should set some goals for our day. We should set some targets or some motives for our day to be attended. Yes friends, when we have set our goals, when we set our targets, or when we set our motives, then we plan accordingly. Now also one more thing, when we set our goals, because we have a number of works in our everyday routine, then we should prioritize our work. Yes, which work has to be executed first, which the second, which the third, and respectively. So when we set our goals, when we set our targets, when we set our motives or tasks, then we should also prioritize our work so that it will be planned or organized or executed accordingly. So friends, after we have prioritized our work, then we plan our day accordingly. According to our goal set and according to our target set, we plan our day. When we plan our day, then we try to organize the day. Yes, we organize each and every day, each and every work of our day according to our plans. Now when we organize it, then comes the implementation part. Then we come to implement it, and then we come to execute it. Now this plays a very vital role, because if we set our targets, if we set our motives, if we set our tasks to be accomplished, we also plan it, we also organize it, but if we don't implement it and don't execute it, then it's no point planning and organizing. So we have to implement it also, and we have to execute it also, because no point organizing and planning if we don't execute it. Yes friends, so we have to implement it also and execute it also according to our plans and organizations, or organizing of the plan of the daily routine. Yes friends, after you have attended your goal, or you have planned, organized, implemented it, then you see a lot of time, you can say a lot of time is saved. Now in this period of saved time, you see that ample time is left to give it to yourself. Yes, you are saved with a lot of time after following this kind of process, or you can say after following this kind of cycle. You see that you are saved with lot of time. You are left with ample time to give it to yourself. In that period of time, what you will do? Yes, friends. Now we are all following a daily routine, that is getting up early in the morning, then freshening up, then doing exercises, then doing workouts, then having our breakfast, then following our online classes, then at the end doing the classwork, the homework, then again taking the lunch break, then again taking a short nap, then again joining the evening work. So this is making our life monotonous. Every day we are doing the same routine, we are following the same routine. This is making our life monotonous. Now, to overcome this, to relieve from this, or to make it stress-free, we can add some attraction to our everyday routine. Now, friends, what do I mean by this attraction? What do I mean by adding attraction? Yes, friends, out of those n number of works that we do, out of those goals that we have set, we have attended, we also get a lot of time. Now, from this monotonous routine, we'll get some time, so we can add attraction by meaning adding attraction. Suppose we are good in cooking, or suppose we are interested in some sketching, or planting a new plant. Whatever we are interested in, or creating something SUPW work or something creative, so we can do that work, that one particular work in that during that day, so that it will add some attraction, a newness to our life. It will also make us, you can say, it will also relieve us mentally. It will also give, you can say, newness in our mentality. Yes, so this adding attraction, this adding newness to our everyday monotonous routine will give some will mentally, you can say, it also keeps us mentally fit. It also keeps us mentally happy. You can say it also keeps us mentally healthy. Yes, so because we are adding some new attraction, some newness to our everyday life, that is adding attraction. Yes, friends. Now, still you see, after adding this attraction, or after doing this attractive work that you are very much interested in, after doing that, still you see that you are left with a lot of time that you can invest it, that you can economically invest it in developing your skills. Friends, all of us has some skill or the other. Yes, friends, some of us are good in painting, some of us are good in music, playing music, some of us are good in writing, some of us are good in watching, some of us are good in games. So these skills that we have in ourselves, that skill we can develop in that period of time. We don't have to wait for a Sunday, we don't have to wait for a holiday in developing those skills, because we can invest this 10 to 15 minutes every day in enhancing our skill. By the end of the month, or by the end of 15 days, you will see that you have enhanced in your skill by investing those 10 to 15 minutes every day. Yes, friends, so you don't have to wait. If you wait for a Sunday, then you will get just 4 days in a month, and if you wait for a holiday, you'll just get 2 to 3 days in a month. So don't wait for a holiday, or don't wait for a Sunday to develop your skill. Just invest 10 to 15 minutes of your daily routine in developing your skills. You'll find that you have enhanced your skill. Now, most important of all, friends, fixing of time. Be on the social media. Yes, we cannot ignore the fact, or we cannot negate the fact that the social media, the digital platform is, you can say, consuming our 4 to 5 hours of our day. Yes, out of those 24 hours that all of us get, we are you can say, investing, or the social media is consuming 4 to 5 hours of our day. Yes, now sometimes we utilize it surfing the net, that is, we utilize our time surfing the net, and maximum time, or you can say maximum of us, or most of us, you can say, waste our time in surfing the net, because we surf the unnecessary things. You can say we invest, or we waste our time surfing the net, the unnecessary, you can say, the unnecessary things. Like suppose we have to search for an essay topic, then before going to that essay topic, what we do, we check out our WhatsApp chats, we check out our notifications in the Facebook, we check out our Instagram, we check out our, you can say, Twitter, we check out YouTube, we check out Google, we do everything, and at the end of by the end of, you can say, 45 minutes, we come to our main topic, that I have started this net, or I am sitting on the net, or I am surfing the net for this particular essay topic. It happens with all of us. You cannot ignore the fact, or we cannot ignore the fact, it happens with each and every one of us. So friends, we should learn to block our time. We should learn to fix our time for each and everything that we do every day in our daily routine. Yes, especially the social media, because you may not know, you can say, without knowing, without your knowledge, it consumes a lot of your valuable, precious time. Yes friends, so we should block our time, we should fix our time for each and everything, so that each and everything is given, you can say, when each and everything is delegated this fixed time, then you can say all the work, each and every work is, you can say, efficiently executed, and the work is efficiently executed by blocking time, by fixing time, by delegated time. Each and every work is productively executed, efficiently executed, and at the end of the day, you will feel stress free, you will feel relaxed, you will feel satisfied, and you will find that you have used your time most economically, and you will, at the end of the month, you will find success, you will find yourself successful in whatever field you are exploring in. Yes friends, so this is the reason, these are the tips and tricks that your successful friends follow. Yes friends, so I'm not ignoring the digital platform. Please be social, do follow the digital platform, because that has become the part and parcel of our life. But friends, fix your time. Yes friends, coming to the end. Yes, so here coming back to our points, so we should have goal, we should prioritize our goals, we should prioritize our tasks and motives, and accordingly we should plan our day, and accordingly we should organize our day. Then whatever we have planned, whatever goals we have set, we have planned it, we have organized it, then time comes to implement it, to execute it, and then when your time is left, when a lot of time is saved for yourself, then you can economically invest it in adding some attraction in your life, in developing your skills, and then you should fix your time for each and everything that you delegate or that you execute in your everyday routine. Yes friends, so at the end you will see that you are satisfied, and you are happy, and you are not frustrated, and you are, you can say, you feel a lot of relaxed. Yes friends, if you do like my video, please like and share with your friends, and do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you friends. Till then, bye.